I'm John McGrath, and this is my masterclass on future-focused PPM. We're seeing a growing emphasis on the use of earned value management as a requirement in a lot of large-scale government infrastructure projects. Earned value management is one of the most talked about project controls techniques, but it is often misunderstood. In this video, we're going to take a look at the key concepts of earned value management. Firstly, we need to understand that earned value management is addressing three fundamental questions. How much work have we completed, which we refer to as the plan value, or PV. The second, how much work have we completed, which we refer to as the earned value, or EV. And the third, how much did it cost us to complete this work, which we refer to as the actual cost, or AC. Earned value management identifies and analyzes variances in project performance based on the comparison of work performed versus the work that was originally planned in the baseline. Some key considerations to remember about earned value management is that to harness the power of earned value management, you need to have a baseline set for every value in your project schedule. The essence being you need a baseline value to compare it against the actual value. Secondly, we need to remember while it is much stronger on cost management, it can also be used on schedule management as well. And the third is to remember that it is now becoming the industry standard for large projects. Most scheduling tools can calculate it at the project level, but very few can calculate it at the program or at the portfolio level, giving you an enterprise visibility of earned value analysis across your project, across your program, and across your portfolio. The two most important metrics that are used in earned value management are Cost Performance Index, which is referred to as CPI, and Schedule Performance Index, which is referred to as SPI. The key thing to understand is that if your SPI or your CPI are above 1, your project is exceeding the planned requirements. But if your CPI or SPI are below 1, your project is underperforming. For example, a project with a CPI of 1.1 would indicate that we're 10% efficient in terms of managing our budget on the project. But if we had an SPI of 0.9, it would indicate we're only getting 90% of the scheduled work performed compared to what was planned. So there's a reduction or an inefficiency of 10% on the schedule. This is a high-level overview of earned value management. Thanks for watching.